golden pheasant.
Chrysophilus pictus.
Cebu flower pecker.
Takayan quadricolor.
New Caledonian owlet nightjar.
Gigaphilus thivesi.
Imperial Amazon.
Amazona imperialis. Blue-eyed ground dove.
Columbina cyanopis.
Kakapo.
Strigops habroctilus.
Rufous-headed hornbill.
Rhabdoterinus weldeni.
New Zealand rock wren.
Xenicus gilvaventris. Stressamens bristle front. Merelaxis stressamani. South Philippine dwarf kingfisher. Sphex melanurus. Volocop superb. The bird of paradise. Roferina nada. You.
So, technology a go-go there, the book club with a little cassette recorder with a microphone over it for rare birds. And so we'll say, we can't all play saxophones and cheap linen. Can you change a thing like this? Short and round and rare birds. It's a joy to hear you. It's an even greater privilege and joy to watch you because you all enjoy it so much, what you're doing, and you're all having a good laugh with each other, and you are so great. You mentioned a kakapo in there. Have you ever seen the footage of the kakapo jumping on a man's head and, say, making love to it?
I reckon I have seen that.
Right, okay, because the guy...
I'm glad to know a song now.
Well, the guy in question is a dear friend of mine, and he's a brilliant, brilliant man called Marc Riley, and it would take me an hour just to tell you all of the different roles he's got, but he's a conservationist and marine biologist, and he's written loads and loads of books and columns, and he's my hero, in effect, really, but he's also, I'm lucky to say, my mate. But he did Last Chance to See, the TV series. Well, he did the book before that with Douglas Adams a long time ago about endangered species. And then they wanted to recreate it at the BBC. Obviously, Douglas Adams no longer with us. And so he did it with Stephen Fry. and he did a blue whale and, Komodo dragon and lots of different things. But one was a kakapo. And there's footage of him crawling around in New Zealand, would it have been? And he jumps on his head and it's scratching him and doing the business.
Wow.
And I said to him, of all of the things that you've achieved in your life, of all of the great and wonderful things that you have managed to do and tell everybody else about, you'll probably be remembered as a bloke who had the kakapo on your head.
That's not a bad thing.
Yeah, it's the highest compliment in the animal kingdom, right?
Well,
It's
there
gotta
you go.
be.
You'd take it, wouldn't you? Well, he had to. He had no choice. But anyway, I will dedicate that to Mark Carwardine because, as I say, he is a hero of mine. So the 11th of October, just mentioned, a Newport Lake pub. And then the 17th, Bath Moles. The 18th, Manchester Band on the Wall. Boo, it's a Wednesday. I'm working. How could you do that to me? The 19th would be the Gosforth Civic Theatre in Newcastle. The 20th, Carlisle, the Brickyard. Halifax Arden Road Social Club on the 21st, 22nd Nottingham Rescue Rooms, 24th 100 Club in London. That'd be a great night. Well, they all will. 25th Reading, the Face Bar. 26th of October, Brighton Concord 2. The 27th Ipswich, the Baths. And then you've got Norwich Arts Centre on the 30th, 31st Sheffield Crooks Social Club. And we've got the 1st of November, the York Crescent. 3rd Stirling, the Toll Booth. And that's it by the look of it. That might have been your best session yet for us, which is going some, because they're all magnificent.
Thank you very much.
I just can't thank you enough for coming in and playing for us.
Thanks, Mark. Thanks for having us.
It's nice to have you in the room as well.
Yeah, it is. It's nice for me anyway. All right. Yeah, take care.
Okay, thanks so
you
much.
very much
Cheers,
indeed.
thank you.
Okay.